So Naira, सबसे पहले तो Glitz Fashion USA में a warm welcome and you're looking very pretty. Okay.
Thank you so much.
I think apart ने जो भी किया, it's a very traditional look but a very sexy look. So anything which you want to say about this look?
Um, Even though it's a very traditional look, but obviously I'm supposed to look very appealing, so I'm showing my midriff and kind of a little lower neckline. It's not exactly low, but it's supposed to be low. I think the makeup is nice. It's very soft. It suits me very well. The clothing suits me very well. I'm enjoying it.
Right. And how much are you enjoying playing the character, the Chakori character which you're playing? कितना enjoy कर रहे हैं?
I'm loving it. दुख सब तब होता है जब मैं रसाल को टॉर्चर करती हूँ. एंड जैसे कि वो एक सीन था जहाँ पे कमलेश फूली के सर पे से सिंदूर मिटाते हैं. आई एम एन एम्पैथ, सो मुझे बहुत दुख होता है कि गांव में ऐसी चीज़ें होती होंगी. बहुत दुख हुआ कि आई फीलिंग वेरी एम्पैथेटिक टुवर्ड्स सच सिचुएशंस. आई नेवर थॉट आई प्ले अ नेगेटिव रोल. But again, this is out and out negative role, but it's still the main lead.
Yeah.
So it's fun. I'm exploring the space. अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm having good fun. I have, apart from having a negative shade, I'm adding a lot of sweetness, naughtiness, cuteness, so that it's an entire package, so that the audience gets to see me in a lot of shades.
Right.
And I'm really trying hard to do that.
Okay, now that you have played both positive and negative you are playing, which one is the toughest according to you?
Nothing is tough. Negative could be disturbing because I told you I'm an empath. Real situation में मैं ऐसा होने ना देती, मैं ऐसा tolerate नहीं कर पाती, और मैं ऐसा behave तो कभी नहीं करती. So it's little pinching, but both are fun in their own ways.
Right. And there are kids on the show. Both love them. Like I interviewed them and they said that we love Naira दीदी. तो आपका किस तरह से bond है बच्चों के साथ?
मुझे पता है कि मैंने एक नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हूँ. कभी कभी वो बच्चे पे जब मैं एक बहुत ही गुस्से वाला एक्सप्रेशन दिखा दूँ या फिर कुछ ऐसे पकड़ लूँ, they might feel threatened. I make sure that they know Naira loves them. Chakori is doing this, baby, don't cry. Naira loves you. Naira really loves you. It's like, oh, Naira didi. I'm like, yeah, baby, come here. रसाल के साथ मेरा बहुत होता है ऐसा.
अच्छा. And how's it working with Nishant and all other people? But since you're paired with Nishant, how's it working with him?
It's like I'm home again. I mean, we are friends since what? Past 7 years? 7 years, I guess. So when we came to know that we are opposite each other, we were like, ah! We're gonna have good fun.
Right.
He's an amazing actor. He never fumbles, never forgets his lines, never ever. I cannot remove any flaw, So he's a great co-actor to work with. He's fun. He's super.
Okay. Lastly, Naira's Sana got married and you people had a ball at her wedding. Anything which you want to say to, because people loved you and Sana on screen and off screen. So anything which you want to wish Sana or your fans को अगर जो आप दोनों को बहुत प्यार करते हैं उनको कुछ कहना चाहें?
I really wish कि मैं और Sana Divi Dishti 2 कर पाते. Because I think the show made us sisters.
Right.
You should have heard कि दो actors शायद जल नहीं होते होंगे या whatever it is. Our role, our characters were very well balanced, and the show made us feel like sisters. It invoked all the emotions amongst us. So I'm really happy for her that she's got married and she got everything she desired, which is very important. एक डर होता है लड़की जब शादी करके चली जाती है, पता नहीं कैसा होगा. What is the kind of change? Will it be a good change or a bad change? I haven't seen a happier bride than her, and I really hope that ऐसा होता है कि जो सना के साथ होता है ना, मेरे साथ थोड़े वक्त के बाद सिमिलर चीज़ें होती हैं. I don't know what's the connection. So I really hope कि जितनी खुशी मैंने उसके फेस पे देखा, the way she's happy, I hope she told me the same things. Naira, it's gonna happen with you also. So.
Okay, and lastly, the show is about somewhere it's a bond between a brother and sister, real. And I hope you have a brother. Yes, I was just confirming. How's your bond with your brother?
We are best friends. Okay. We are not like brother sister. Oh, you don't do this. Oh, you don't do that. It's like you live my life, and you let me live your. I mean, whatever. You know what I mean. Yeah. And we are like, okay, I gotta handle this. You do this. Yeah. I'll handle this. You do that. So we are like best friends. But yeah, we do mention where to draw the line, because we both understand that it's important to explore the world at the same time, we have our back.
Right.
So we are best friends.
And anything which you want to say to your fans and the viewers?
I would just say that your support really matters a lot because I am a performer. I'm here to entertain you, and this is my living. I hope I'm doing a good job. I'll try my best to do a good job. But keep yourselves happy, keep yourselves stable, be energetic, be healthy, and keep watching my show.
Thank you so much, Naira.
Thanks.
Thank you.